Hey guys, you got a Craftsman breaker bar that the half-inch drive falls out of it. Ideally, these are made to not spin like that inside this half-inch drive. It's got these little rivets on it, or these little cutouts, and I guess they're probably worn off, but that's okay. It'll work even better now. But what I'm gonna do is went ahead and greased that spring up. I hope I don't burn that oil out. But throw this ball bearing in the top there where it goes. Right there. Oh yeah, I'm sure you can. Take this right here. Now I could take this back and get a new one, but you know what? It's gonna be Chinese junk. And that thing just falls right out. Let me show you how to fix that. Alright guys, let's see if I can get this hot enough. Got my little Hobart Handler 140 here. Good enough to something to kick around the house with. What that didn't start a fire, so that's good. Got a little hammer here. I don't claim to be the best welder, but this beats taking it back and getting a Chinese crap. Cold rolled. I think that's called cold rolled steel. Could have damaged the strength of it too there, but let's do the other side. All right, guys, let's give it another shot. Need to get it hot. There it is. All right, I'm gonna go quench it in some water. Better yet, I got some oil. I might do that. There it is, guys. I quenched it in some water. This still rocks back and forth. But yeah, that's it, man. It's not going to fall out anymore. Alright, guys. Here's my other half-inch breaker bar. I'm not having a problem. This is a 15-inch. This one here is 18, measured from the end of the drive to the end of the handle. Not having a problem with that one. Seems to be working good. But yeah, there's a close-up of my... I had to get it hot to get into this cold rolled steel because that stuff is tough. And yeah, I probably took some strength out of it, but... I got another one. I bought a Tecton 24-inch breaker bar. Heard a lot of good things about it, but yeah, this one's still back and forth, but you're getting the movement from the inside of that pin. And this one here, this one moves the pin. because it's held on there on the inside with those splits that you saw. This one here, you can't see it, but the pin is in one place. It still works, it's just operating a little differently. This one here is moving with the pin. This one here, the pin is stationary. So yeah, not too bad a weld for welding every year or so. Once a year, it's just a kick around the house welder, and when you need one, you need it. All right, guys, so I hope this video helped. I salvaged my breaker bar. I quenched it in some water, so hopefully that puts some heat back into it. Yeah, I was on it a couple times where it almost fell off, and well, I had a lot of pressure on it. Fix It John, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.